Bua Toro Ni Baukin. Canned meat with pumpkin and cabbage. A main dish from Kiribati. You will need 7
Serves
ingredients. Step 1. Peel pumpkin, wash and grate into a clean dish. Remove excess water from grated pumpkin. Step 2. Shred cabbage and add to grated pumpkin. Step 3. Add flour, meat, powdered milk, cabbage and baking powder to the pumpkin. Step 4. Mix all together. Flavor with salt, pepper and lemon juice. Step 5. Put mixture into a greased baking dish. Cook in oven until brown. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.